Alright, welcome everyone. I am Remy, an AI text-to-speech assistant, and I have been trained to show you this tutorial. This is MatchScore Wizzard, where Excel, Shiny, and football magically collide. Today we're starting Part 1, Form Preparation. Get this right, and everything else becomes easy. Let's kick things off. A quick question: who is MatchScore Wizzard for? Football fans, and brands that want fans to show up and stay engaged. MatchScore Wizzard is a free entertainment-only tool that turns football matches into simple, viral prediction contests, zero coding, automated scoring, and instant rankings. Now here's the call to action. We're looking for sponsors and partners to team up with this channel and help launch our first official MatchScore Wizzard contest when the 2026 World Cup kicks off. Sponsors get strong brand visibility, positive community vibes, and no operational work. With their support, fans may get rewarded for participating. Ideas for fun prizes are things like national team jerseys, the 2026 World Cup Champions jersey, replica official match balls, and exclusive giveaways. If you're a brand, collaborate with us. If you're a fan, subscribe to this channel, join future contests, and play along. Football is better together, and this is where it starts. This is how MatchScore Wizzard scores predictions, match by match, as matches are played and official scores are known. Each match is split into two columns, one for each team. Dark blue cells are used to enter official scores. To easily explain our scoring system, on this example, light blue and purple were used to highlight cells to distinguish between participants who have collected points and those who did not. Light blue and white cells represent correct or partially correct predictions. That means the participant either nailed the exact score or got close enough to earn a bonus point. White cells represent participants who correctly predicted a winning team or a tie, but did not predict goals scored by either team. Purple cells show wrong predictions. No points awarded, it happens to the best of us. On this example, for the first match, the last two participants did not gather points because they failed to predict Team A winning the match. For the second game, points were awarded only to participants predicting a tied game. MatchScore Wizzard automatically detects recently played matches. Then it evaluates each prediction, assigns points, and adds everything up in real time. No manual scoring. No arguments. At a glance, you can see who's leading, who's still in the race, and who needs a miracle in the next match. This visual clarity is what makes MatchScore Wizzard perfect for friendly contests, transparent, fair, and easy to follow for everyone involved. This tutorial is split into 4 parts. Today, we're focused only on Part 1, Form Preparation. Later, we'll cover reports, updates, and demo for a run using an iPhone mobile. But first, let's build the foundation. Before touching Excel, let's talk organization. We suggest setting up a clean folder structure on a Windows PC. This keeps your contests tidy, repeatable, and stress-free. Start by selecting a folder in your PC. Create a main folder for MatchScore Wizzard. Within it, add one folder for each contest you organized. Each contest folder should contain a single contest report file and a subfolder to store participant prediction forms. Open MatchScore Wizzard in your browser. Click the hamburger menu and then click Instructions. This is your reference hub if you ever get stuck. Before getting to the forms, I encourage you to click the README link to learn more about this project and get other learning resources. English and Spanish template forms are waiting for you. Let's click on the English form to jump to a GitHub repository. Click the three-dot More Actions icon and select Download. Simple and straightforward. When the Downloads toolbox pops up, click Save As. Click the button to expand available destinations on your machine. Then, click Downloads. Click the New Folder button. Type MatchScore Wizzard and then click Open. Inside it, use the New Folder button to create another folder named after your contest. Name the folder meaningfully. For example, 2026 World Cup Group Stage. Clear names prevent confusion later. Click Open. Inside the file name box, type a name for your contest enrollment form. For example, MatchScore Wizzard 2026 World Cup Group Stage. Then, click Save. After the file is downloaded, open the file. Go to the Review tab and click Unprotect Sheet. From here on, changes are your responsibility. Set the contest title in row 1. For your convenience, text suitable for changes is highlighted in bold. Matches must start at row 8, cell F8. Do not insert rows or columns. If your contest has fewer matches, remove extra rows at the bottom. Only delete match rows. Nothing else. For example, for a contest with 16 matches, go ahead and remove all rows after match 16. Precision matters here. When finished editing, click Protect Sheet again. Choose an easy-to-remember password. For example, MSW. This keeps the structure safe. Next, click OK. Re-enter the protection password and click OK. Save the file using Ctrl+S or the Save File icon. Your contest form is now ready to be shared. Nice work! You have completed Part 1, Form Preparation. Everything else builds on this step. Next up, Initial Contest Reports. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the transparency.